My name is Justin Cherry, and my business is Half Crown Bakehouse. I make historical baked goods out of this 3-ton clay oven behind me, and I specialize in heritage grains, which you can see right there. Our bread contains 2 kinds of heritage wheat and heritage corn, and then we simulate rations by using salt pork, rendering that down and combining with butter, and we top our bread with that. The oven itself takes about 3 to 4 hours to heat up from cold, and then we rake all the coals out, and at the same time we're mixing our dough so we can time out those 2 things. And then once the oven's ready, we sweep out all the coals, we mop it, make sure there's no ash in there, and then we bake 20 to 25 loaves at a time. And we can usually bake 50 to 60 per round.
It's better not to talk to some people.
So, what would the historically, who would the bakers been in with the armies, with the British? Do you know anything like who these historically would have been?
Yeah, so usually they were part of the regiment. Maybe they just happened to bake. It wasn't a separate job or career or function in the military until the American War for Independence.
Oh, okay.
So they might have been a private, say in the Virginia Regiment, and they happened to bake because somebody did have to bake to feed the military. But yeah, it wasn't a specialized position until later.
And what got you into this?
Historical grains kind of brought me into the baking part of it, but my family's done living history since I was 4, so about 35 years worth of living history, French and Indian War, American War for Independence, and then I was a chef in my everyday life. And the two passions, one work in culinary arts, and then 2 love of history, and I just formed a business off of it.
So where do you normally go with your portable bake oven? Is it just here to Fort Ligonier?
No, I go to about 36, 37 events per year. Most of them are at Mount Vernon, where I'm the resident baker at. I haul my oven there, and I actually built an oven there 2 years ago, a permanent one. So sometimes when I go there, I have 2 ovens, double ovens. But most of them are Western Pennsylvania, Eastern Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, and a few in the Carolinas.
And one final question. Here in the history community, we get some interesting questions from the public. Has anybody asked, is the fire real?
Yes, most definitely. At least one per event.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.